A squared plus B squared plus C squared equal to 146, and we want to find A plus B plus C is what? So, let me tell you something. Without lots of generality, suppose A, B, C are greater than equal to 0, because at the end we will consider also negative of these numbers. And also again, without lots of generality, suppose A is less than or equal to B, less than or equal to C, and it is greater than or equal to 0. So, if we write A squared plus B squared plus C squared is less than or equal, A is less than or equal to C squared plus C squared plus C squared equal to 3C squared. A squared plus B squared plus C squared equal to 146. Now, if we divide both sides by 3, 146 will be 4, 26, 8, 48 point something, less than or equal to C squared. So we conclude C is at least 7. Okay. Now that we found C is at least 7, let's consider a different case, and let's see C is at most what? Some of them is 146. So if C is, for example, 12, 13, it's not possible because C squared will be 169. So C is at most 12. So we need to check 7 to 12, which is 6 cases. The first case, if C equal to 12, then A squared plus B squared plus C squared, which is 12 squared, equal to 146. Now we can conclude A squared plus B squared, 12 squared is 144, equal to 146. A squared plus B squared equal to 2. So both of them should be 1. A1 and B1. So here let me write in other page our answer ABC 12, 1, 1, and at the end we consider all negative and positive of these cases. Case 2, C equal to 11. So A squared plus B squared plus C is 11 squared equal to 146. So A squared plus B squared, 11 squared is 121, equal to 146. Now, if we subtract both sides, 121 from both sides, it will be 525. Now, we can say it is 25, because A is less than or equal to B, so it is 0, 25, or 3 squared, 916. So for AB, 0, 5, 3, 4. 0, 5, 11, 3, 4, 11. Now, let's check third case. C equal to 10. So A squared plus B squared plus 10 squared equal to 146. A squared plus B squared, 10 squared is 100. 146 minus 100 is 46. Now, if we check 36, it is 10, not possible. 36, 10. Not because 7 squared is not possible, it's 49. 36, 25. If we have 25, it will be 21. Again, not possible, and B should be greater than A. So in this case, we don't have any answer. Let's check fourth case. In fourth case, C is 9. So A squared plus B squared plus 9 squared, which is 81, equal to 146. Now, A squared plus B squared equal to 6 minus 1, 5. 14 minus 6 is 14 minus 8, 6, 65. It can be 64, 1, 49, 1 to 50, 16. Another answer. We can say 36. 36 plus what is 65? It's 30, 29. And the other cases are not possible. So in this case, A1, B8, 189, 189, and 479. Now we've checked C9, C8, and C7 are left. If C is 8, let's see fifth case. So A squared plus B squared, C is 8. A squared plus B squared plus 8 squared, which is 64, equal to 146. Now if we subtract 64 from both sides, it will be 214 minus 6 is 80, 82. Now we can say 9, 1, but C is greatest one. So B can be at most 64, and it will be 6, 16, 18. It's not possible. 49 plus 33, this it's not possible. 36, no, it's not possible because B should be greater than A. Again, in this case, we don't have any answer. Last case, C7. A squared plus B squared plus 49 equal to 146. A squared plus B squared equal to, if it subtract 46, it will be 0, 97. And then A and B should be less than or equal to 7. If it is 49, it will be 48. Not possible, and the other cases are not possible because if it is 36, then A will be greater than B. So here we couldn't find any answers. Our all answers are these things. But the problem says what? The problem says find A plus B plus C, and should also consider negative signs of these numbers. Okay. Let's calculate A plus B plus C. For first case, I consider 1 plus 1 plus 12, which is 14. This is our first answer. And you should consider if one of them is negative, negative 1 plus 12, it is 12. Second one, if you change it to negative 1, it will be same, it's 12. And if it's right 1 plus 1 minus 12, it will be negative 10. Another answer. Now, let's consider that we have two negative numbers. Let's write all answers. And we will arrange all of them at the end. If you have two negative, negative 1 plus 12 is 10. And 2 negative 1 plus 1 minus 12 is negative 12. And if you have three negative numbers, it will be negative 14. Negative 1, negative 12 will be negative 14. So if I want to write all answers here, 14, 12, let's write plus minus 14. Well, let's write plus minus 10, plus minus 12, plus minus 14. We found 6 answers here. Let's check the next one. Similar to this, if you add all of them, it will be plus minus 16. Why plus minus? Because if you negate all signs, you have negative of that number. 5 plus 11 is this. So 11 minus 5 will be 6 plus minus 6 also we have. And 0 is not, has no effect. So some of them can subtract. Here, if you add all of them, it will be 11 plus 4, 15 plus 3, 18 plus minus 18. And if you add these two things and subtract 3 from them, it will be plus minus 12. And if you add 11 plus 3, 14 minus 4 plus minus 10. If you add 11 minus 4 minus 3 minus 7 plus minus 4. And we have 8 possible cases here. And for each of them, 2 times 2 times 2, 8 cases. So our 8 cases are these things. The next 9 plus 8 plus 1 is 18 plus minus 18 again. And the next one is if we add 9 and 8, subtract 1, it will be 17 minus 1, 16 plus minus 16. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 minus 8 plus minus 2. And 8 plus 1, 9 minus 0, 9, 0. We have these cases. 4 plus 7, 11 plus 9, 20 plus minus 20. 9 plus 7, 16 minus 4, 12 plus minus 12. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 minus 7 plus minus 6. And 9 minus 4, 5. 5 minus 7 will be 2 plus minus 2. So if I want to write all the answers and arrange them from smaller cases, let's check. We have 0, or let's write this, plus minus 2 that we have. After plus minus 2, we have plus minus 4. And also we have plus minus 6 here, plus minus 6. And the next one, plus minus 10, plus minus 10, plus minus 12, plus minus 12, plus minus 12, plus minus 16, 14. Let's write first 14, plus minus 14, and then plus minus 16, and plus minus 18, and the last one, plus minus 20. Okay, let's see how many answers did we find. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times 2, 18. Plus 1, 19 answers. Okay. Let me write the homework. A squared plus B squared plus C squared is equal to 200. Try to solve this problem and comment your answers right below this video. A plus B plus C in this homework equal to what can be what numbers, and A, B, C are integers. Like this problem. In this problem also A, B, C were integers, because if we work in real numbers, we have infinitely many answers. Okay, comment your answers right below this video. If you have questions, send message to my WhatsApp number, and please don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video. Thanks. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.